Warning, the following contains actions performed by idiots. What you're about to view should not be taken as factual or educational. For further questions, please refer to your Google. My cousin owns the oldest haunted house in Colorado. And so throughout the years, they've collected some hearses that they've vinyl wrapped as advertising pieces. And one of them, he has decided it's time to retire. And so he had a semi-truck deliver dirt to the haunted house, and we are going to jump the hearse as its retirement. So that's where I'm heading now. Got all my camera equipment. Hopefully I've got enough to show you some cool angles. He also has a YouTube channel, and he has, I think, a professional camera guy coming out. So you'll want to watch his immediately after this. His channel is, I think it's I Am Josh Holder, or Josh Holder. I think it's just Josh Holder. So be sure to check his stuff out, because this is his thing. I'm just going because he invited me. So that's what we're doing. We're going to jump a hearse. The gap is 20 feet. We only have about maybe 30 feet to get up to speed. I don't know the math. He seems to have figured some of it out. He's terrified, but we're going to see what happens. So here we go.
This is going to be, wait till you see it, dude. It's terrifying.
Okay.
I did a test run with my truck just to see how fast I'd be going.
Yeah.
So I got to come in off this street and kind of smooth it out. I got to take this at about 40. And I got to make this turn at 40 with no power steering. Look at that thing.
Jeez.
Dude, that thing's huge. Could you imagine?
No.
Oh, it's terrifying.
Jeez.
It's terrifying, bro. I gotta roll away from the haunted house.
Yeah.
Don't roll into the haunted house. I don't know. It doesn't look that big on film until you're...
No, but until you're up on it, then it's like, ah!
But dude, it's steep.
Huh.
Yeah, that's terrifying. So that was my neighbor who just stopped. She owns Fire Alarm Services. She's the one that her and her husband own all the NASCAR shit. They sponsor like $1 million a race.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
Big money shit. So she stopped. She's like, hey, that seat looks good on you. I was like, I'm gonna put it to the test. Don't worry.
Yeah. Did you do the math? Is like 40 the number? No? You just didn't do
Feels
it?
good.
Okay.
Feels good at 40.
Okay.
I'm gonna do one test.
Did you
run
jump
down
off
there.
it with your truck?
No, I just went to the side of it. But like my truck's got good suspension and everything.
Yeah.
And it was still terrifying. This thing has like no shocks, no power steering.
Well, I might get some good footage of multiple attempts
Oh, God.
making that
Well,
corner.
and the tires are all dry rot, so
Good.
hopefully it makes the corner.
Good. He's gonna make my camera equipment look like poo-poo.
Right there. Dang it. Yeah, don't say that stuff. You guys are doing a lot of work for one crowbar. I'm gonna do one more run real quick.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna move the phone.
Okay. Dangerous spot. The motor's knocking.
Oh yeah.
Real bad.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah. Did it die?
Yeah.
You
Not
could hear
happy.
it. It's screaming.
Yeah. She ain't happy.
No.
All right.
I need to say.
All right. Let's do it.
I pray for you.
Oh yeah. Made it. No, no one died. Let's do it again. One more time.
It was perfect.
Maybe.
You're leaking all the radiator fluid. Leaking a little bit, so make it quick.
Oh, buzz. Not happy.
Yeah, doesn't
That might be it.
Ugh. It's barely running, so he's gonna try and get one more in.
All right, we made it.
Man, that's some crazy shit.
We made it.
You did it, brother.
That was good.
Good job, man.
No one died.
Oh, I think it is.
Everybody's alive? Dude, that thing actually felt pretty fly. Like it felt like you could fly on that thing.
Pretty
I
good,
was like, all right.
man.
That was perfect.
Good, yeah, that was fun, dude. All right, no one died.
I wanted to get to the other side, but he was already coming, so.
That was awesome.
Oh, that's awesome.
I thought it was gonna be way worse.
Really?
Yeah. That's a large.
Yeah.
Oh no, the wrap.
Yeah. It died.
It's gone. Now it's a billboard. Right out here.
Not a bad spot for it.
Yeah, it worked out fine.
Am I sweating at all?
No.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not 'cause it's hot, because I was terrified up there. I was sitting there doing things like barely running. I'm like, all right, here we go.
This should be fine.
Oh,
two,
yeah.
2 miles an hour is good.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like we could go bigger, though.
Now.
Unfortunately, it's
Yeah.
still 2020.
Now I feel like we're fine.
It was so much smoother than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I know. Coming around that curve up there.
That
was
looked
the scariest.
terrifying. Yeah.
Well, there's no power steering, so I'm like,
They kept saying, hold on.
Became so
It
bad.
didn't even break the
I was
radiator.
like, oh my god.
yeah.
My heart fell on my butt.
You got a radiator.
Yeah, there's some rocks in there.
Smells really good in there.
I know. Well, I pulled it up onto the street up there, and it was like smoking, and then like not starting. I'm trying to keep it revved up.
That's hilarious.
Sam, what's up, dude? All right, who's up next?
Tommy.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Now it's not too bad.
Added is a new thing you could do at the haunt.
Get in back. The last ride. Here we go. All right. Lee, where's your race car at? Where'd Lee go? Go kick that thing.
It's not going over the ramp.
It's not going over the ramp, bro.
They can't afford the damage.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it is antifreeze. That's not so bad.
Uh,
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we need to keep this going, though. Maybe we should get another car. Need to get like a
Steven wants
Subi
to
or
bring
something.
his dirt bike.
Oh yeah, you can do your dirt bike. Hilarious.
They were like, we're on left brake.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that was
Yeah, that was all right. All right, everybody can go back to work now.
Are you ready for Sean?
One more time.
Preston, we were trying to find nitrous for it. I couldn't get it here in time. I was like, Preston, get me it. He's like, well, I ripped it off the first time. I tried to reinstall it, but dude, the hardest part is turning this thing around with no power steering on this road, trying to watch for cars.
Drop it like it's hot.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that. It was a ton of fun. My cousin's channel link is in the description below. While I have you here real quick, give me a minute and a half of your time. Gonna change some things on the as far as scheduling goes. I just told you guys last week we're gonna do every Sunday. I can't do it. Views have been on a steady decline, and that has been one of my worst fears of this channel, is getting a good subscriber number up and then losing people's interest. And I think that's what I have accidentally done, just because I don't have the time to make the progress and the quality that I want for all this stuff in a week. So the weekly video recipe is not for me right now. What we're gonna do, example, the Jeep, I have everything on order for everything that we need to get it to run and drive. Probably gonna take about a week for all that to get here. Realistically, a week to 2 weeks for me to put it all on the car, do it right, take my time. So in theory, you're not gonna see the Jeep for about 3 weeks. I don't know if I'm gonna have anything else exciting here to show you, so it might be 3 weeks until I post another video, but I really wanna focus on quality over quantity. That's a saying for a reason, and I think I've kind of accidentally, very slowly done the opposite of that. And not dogging on myself, but I want the quality to be higher. I want these videos to be really exciting, worth your time. I want you guys to see that I posted something and click it as fast as you can. Right now, I think kind of the opposite is going on. People see some other video that's not the Jeep and think, I'm gonna wait till the Jeep's done. And I'm with you guys, and I want that to happen. And so instead of stressing every week trying to pull videos out of thin air, I think this is gonna be a much better formula recipe for your guys' enjoyment and the sake of my time and stress and just, you know, doing things better, I think. So that's the plan. I don't know how long I could get it all done in a day. I don't really know, but just a heads up, it might be a minute. We're waiting on Honda data for this, so who knows? A lot of stuff could happen, but that's the plan. So as always, I appreciate your time. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about that idea and this video in the description. Smash like hashtag button stuff. Ugh. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you as soon as I can. Go check out my cousin's channel. He does just craziness like that all the time. So we'll see you guys in a couple weeks, hopefully a little sooner. But as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll get to work, and we'll see you soon.